Good morning, people of God. I would like to talk about problems with Easter. We all know that in Babylon they had this goddess. She was a female called Ishtar, and people used to worship her. And they will go to the temple with exchanging gifts on a celebration. And she loved the bunny. She loves the bunny, and they will roam freely around the temple. And then people will exchange sweets one with another, and then the bells will ring. But today I receive so many countless screen savers and pictures, and with the lily, the flower, with bunnies, chocolate, eggs, and bells. But the thing is, when we see that they don't have anything to do with the reason, Son of God, because I read the four Gospels, I didn't see around the cross chocolate, bunnies, bells, the lily, and all that. So why are we so asleep to the point that we are offering him things that are not of him? They are not connected to him. Why is that? Why are we so easy and happy when we are being entertained and we do not want to change? So as for me, I never taken my son egg hunting, because I knew that the egg was that came from there, from the worship of Ishtar. I knew that the bunny came from there, because we are celebrating the reason one and not a bunny. And where do the two meet? I don't know. And then people would say, Happy Easter, Happy Easter. No, it's Happy Resurrection. We are celebrating the Son of God, and not that fallen angel that became a goddess to steal the glory of God. So we need to be careful, we need to be mindful, and don't take your children. And I'm glad with the confinement and the corona we are home, so at least the corona will prevent people from sinning and adding sin upon sin. And this year we will not have any egg hunting party or things like that, because they are not of God, they are not godly, and we are not supposed to do it, because we are giving the glory to someone else. But yet we are saying, oh yes, Jesus Christ, yes, Jesus Christ, but our actions and our words are not together, they do not match. We need to be careful, we need to pay attention to details, and because there are so many problems with Easter, so many problems with the bunny and the egg and all that. They don't come from him. And then you see a picture with this Jesus with very long flowy hair, blonde with blue eyes, coming out of the grave with angels. That's so Catholic-y, you know. He was born in the country called Palestina, and given that place in the world, he could not have been born blonde with blue eyes. The Son of God was a black man, and yet we have been so brainwashed. I think because it lasted so long, it's very hard for some of us to let it go, or to change and to accept a new truth, a truth that was the truth, but yet they twisted it and flipped it and did this and that. And now I have even people of African descent who get mad at me when I tell them don't send me pictures with a white God, a white Jesus, because he was not white. But I'm getting replies that are not very friendly, that are not very lovable, and yet it's the truth. But we do not want to let go, so we need to pray. about those chains, you know, the mental shackles, they are here. We need to pray against them, we need to renounce them, we need to denounce them, we need to refuse. We need to refuse and go back to the basics, go back to the truth. And that's how we are going to have victory. Because as we are celebrating with all those things, why is that we are an impotent church? We cannot lay hands on the sick and see them recover. We cannot pray for a dead person and see them coming back to life. We are carrying too many things, and that's why we are weak and an impotent church. And that's what I wanted to share with you. Problems with Easter. We need to think, we need to change, we need to... And then those pastel colors that we wear for Easter, those are colors that were... because every god back in those days had specific colors for them and the way to worship them and the way to approach the protocol to do that. So we need to think about all that because we are not helping our case. We are not. And may God have mercy on us. And I pray that you have a safe Resurrection Sunday. And God bless you.